Smart Edge is the most versatile of the three Smart Mesh tools in Machine Tools and is by default invoked using the 2 key. You can also use it via the new Smart Pi, of course, where it's located at the bottom, just like Edge Mode is in the Modes Pi. It's the most versatile because it does 11 different things via a single key press or button, simply based on the context of your selection or mode you're in. In Vert Mode, without a selection or with only a single vert selected, Smart Edge will invoke the Knife tool, same as the K key does by default. While in Edge or Face Mode, and again without a selection, Smart Edge will invoke Loop Cut and Slide, otherwise mapped to Control R. And this is not part of Smart Edge, but if I ever want to add a cut between a few selected edges only instead of cutting the entire face loop, I use my custom Alt-2 key map to subdivide. Now, if you have a single edge selected, Smart Edge will turn that edge, which can be useful in sub-D modeling especially, and it actually works for up to 3 separate edges at the same time. If you have faces selected, Smart Edge will do a boundary edge selection and take you into Edge Mode, whereas if you have more than 3 edges selected, Smart Edge will do an inner region select and take you into Face Mode. This also works on non-cyclic loops, which will then select the smaller part of a mesh, which can be useful in cases like this, for instance. Also, you can switch this boundary and region behavior to adjacent instead, at which point Smart Edge will select adjacent geometry at the border of your current selection and will also alternate between face and edge modes. So you can select the outer adjacent edges of this face, for example, which you would otherwise do via a ring selection perhaps, but that may not always be an option. Calling it again will then select the adjacent faces of those edges, and repeatedly calling it will increasingly grow the selection in this stepped fashion.